Hi everyone, this is Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And guys, today finally the indoors review of the Dreame Aero Pro Steam vacuum mop. And the keyword here is guess. Steam. Of course, this steam, we're gonna talk about the steam. So I was so excited that I can put my greedy hands on this vacuum mop. And guys, let's review this together. Let's test it out together. And you let me know what do you think down below in the comments. And I will do my best to show you what it's really capable of. As a mom to a toddler, as a mom to a puppy, I can definitely tell you this product impressed me a lot, if not the most, this year. Let's get started.
So most floor washers simply push cold water all around, while Dreame Aero Pro Steam heats water up to 392 degrees by Fahrenheit and releases continuous high temperature steam directed downward onto the floor surface while simultaneously vacuuming and mopping the floor. That downward steam pressure is what actually breaks grease and residue loose instead of just moving it around. To properly test this, I intentionally left messes sitting for over 3 hours. Dried ketchup, unmelted butter, dried sauce, coffee, oatmeal, pet hair, human hair, long and short, all kind of debris. And with just one pass with the Aero Pro Steam, everything was gone. The steam dissolved everything on contact, not smeared it, but literally dissolved it. After, the floor felt genuinely clean. No film, no residue, no damp. The floor is just crystal clear. Now the chemical-free part, this is the most favorite one because this is truly important. I am a mom to a toddler, so I truly want to use as less chemistry as possible all around my floor, especially that my pets also love eating from the floor and my daughter loves crawling all over the floor. There are no cleaning solutions here. The Dreame Aero Pro Steam, using water which transformed into 392 degrees Fahrenheit steam. At that temperature, steam sanitizes and disinfects at the source, breaking down bacteria and grease without leaving any chemical residue on the floor. That matters enormously if you have children crawling on the floor or pets spending hours down there. You are not just removing visible dirt, you are leaving behind a surface that is actually safe. So no chemical film your kids and pets are absorbing through contact anymore. Now the suction is really high, it stands at 28,000 kPa, while most competitors in this price range top out at 21 or 22 kPa only. Now on a combined mess or dry debris, wet spills and hair, it handles everything in a one single continuous pass without even slowing down. Now one small doubt I had, well, I assumed steam would slow the whole process down. It takes 10 to 15 seconds to get activated, and preheating for about an additional 30 seconds gives you the strongest output at the end. But because stubborn stains don't need repeated paces, you actually finish faster overall. Now, it works with a TangleCut 2.0 technology, which manages all type of hair, long hair, short hair, and any type of pet hair. I checked the roller after a full clean, nothing was wrapped around it. Now let's talk about the battery. It is giving you 70 minutes of battery on one single charge. The body is noticeably slimmer than most wet and dry vacuums in this category, and it reclines fully at 180 degrees, literally just lays flat. So it can reach deep under sofas, under beds, under furniture, under tables, everywhere that dust actually builds up and can never be reached. And also most machines simply cannot go to these areas, so absolutely love the 100 degrees lay flat on the floor. It was easy to clean under all my furniture, giving me such a satisfaction. I love seeing the results of my work like immediately. Now after cleaning, it has a self-cleaning mode which runs steam as well and hot water through the roller automatically. It's going back and forward on the dock itself. Also, it's so quiet, works at only 72 decibels, and my daughter was able to watch her cartoons nearby without even noticing that there is something cleaning itself around. Now back to the sticky floor problem. Steam fixed it, guys. Real heat, real pressure, and real results immediately. Launch promotion is running right now with tons of discount. Be so very sure to check out the description box for extra information. All the links, all the information is down below.
Dreame is suitable for multiple floor types such as hardwood flooring, LVP, tile, and other compatible hard surfaces.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below and the comments. comments. Also subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. This is exactly the same model as I have tried on site at the next event of Dreame in San Francisco the last April. So guys, this is the same model and I was so excited that I finally can try it out indoors myself in my own house and just throw different things at this and see how it deals with different types of debris, of messes. And I am super excited about the results. It is impressed me even more than it did at the Dreame next event. So guys, I truly hope that it was helpful for you. Please let me know your opinion once again. And guys, all the links to Dreame Aero Steam Pro, everything gonna be down below at the description box to this video of mine. So be so very sure to check them out, as well as any other type of information like discounts, promotions, codes, any possible way to save some money of yours. So be so very sure to check it all out. I'm not gonna judge. Only God can judge me. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.